Hey everybody, not something I usually do, but I figure I'd share my opinion on a little product here. You've all seen all the YouTubers come on speak about the Raycon earbuds every day. Well, these are my everyday fitness ones. I've had these for about 4 years. They have survived me wearing them every single day pretty much. I used to use these in my old command back at Little Creek. Whenever I'd be out working, these things were put to the test. And they have been very reliable since then. Unfortunately, right now, they are dead. They're bogged down. These things survive combat launches, being stepped on, being crushed. These things got fucking hit by the spy radar and still worked. I know I'm looking at the cameras, I'm looking over here, the camera's over here. I'm just seeing myself, so whatever. But yeah, I've had these for about 4, almost 5 years. And they've been really good. Now, the case itself has given me a few issues in the past. You can see my rubber gaskets are gone around the USB-C port. Let me just try and zoom in on this. Come on, zoom in. There it goes. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass because I am a biter, and nervousness didn't go well with trying to pull this thing off. The case itself has held up. It's got some play in it nowadays, but it's still been very good. Unfortunately, after years of use, the earbuds don't really charge up properly. If I close the case, these things stay synced up. I'm hoping to not synced up right now while I'm recording this, because I'm going to have to redo the entire thing then. But these things have been fantastic. Now, the earbuds themselves, the quality is there. They have a few issues. I've had to replace the rubber gaskets after time and time. Got a little play enough. So we get, it's a pain in the ass. There we go. Come on. Okay, well, it's not really gonna track for me, are you? Come on. Okay, we'll take my word for it. It's got a little play in the rubber gaskets. But what do we expect? These things have been used in many a PT test as well. I'm running dead sprint, and they have kept up just right. Stay flush, which means that, hey, no one can hear them. The bass mode on this thing has been great. The what's I'm looking for? Awareness mode has been great. Unfortunately, those stopped working after the C-Wiz incident we went through. But I've worn these things constantly to help me deal with my own little PTS. It's not a disorder. I was dealing with it in itself. I'm mostly okay now. Like I said, these things have held up. I used to sleep in these things to try and give me background noise, and I could sleep comfortably with these things in, whether it be in the hanger or in my rack itself. Now, recently I've decided to replace them. I was going to buy the exact same ones. They're a little expensive, so I couldn't get them all right away. But I picked up a set of Beats. Do I have them up here? No, I did not. Son of a gun. Oh, shit, hold on one second. See, back to it. I picked up a set of Beats, which I put in this case, because unlike the fantastic Raycons, they didn't have a little strap here. Picked these up, and the Raycons have been in very, very good quality. The only difference is this thing has a functionality on it, which it's more software, really. I had to go through updates once I got it. These are right out of the box. But I would still wear these daily. These things fit so nicely. Like, if I were to compare them... Oh god, it's gonna sink. Hold on one second. I hope you guys are still here. Look at this shape. compared to the Raycon. Ain't got shit on the Raycons. These things have been dropped, stepped on. Again, I'm going repeating myself, but these things have worked fantastically. The only reason that they are dead now is a mixture of age, combat usage, and then my wife accidentally sent them to the washer, which unfortunately finished off one of them, which makes them useless. So the other day I'm trying out running with the new ones, and again, they ain't got shit on these. Yes, this thing has more features. Yes, it has a stronger noise canceling, but again, the fitment of the Raycons has been amazing. So all in all, for an audio device, I gotta give this thing a good 4 stars. So if it wasn't for just the weird little habits that went with it, like I said, the rubber grommet, and oh yeah, and it had a little problem syncing, but that's again, never had it up until deployment, so I'm assuming the spy fried something on there. But these things have served me well. There is not a marking left on this case that says Raycon. That is how well used these things are. They've been put on the loudest mode when I'm needle gunning, when I'm sanding, when I'm dealing with missiles going around off, for that one time with the Sea Whiz. These things have held up. But unfortunately, with their age, they're done. They were a great price, they were a great product, but like everything else. So, if anything, the YouTubers have been right. Graysoul Plays, Junkyard Digs, Junkyard Dave. I think Mook did it too. Congrats on the wedding, by the way. But yeah, solid product. 4 out of 5. Hell, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 if anything else too. But I just wish the what's it looking for? It will last a bit longer than 4 years. But like I said, they would still hold a charge, but they got left in my pocket. So that's partially me, and partially just because old age and external means getting involved. But anyway, just to show off again how aged these things are, there's not even a word left in this case. And you can tell which side I slept on the most. Come on. If I can just... What's the play? Okay, I can't get a good view on this thing, unfortunately. But, yeah, it's it shows its age of just wearing and tearing. But thanks for watching. Hopefully helped you guys sell some more of these things, because again, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just a random guy on YouTube who fixes cars and works in the Navy. But yeah, thanks for watching.